What we are going to do right now is look at different classifiers. And I want to make the predictions using the same data set, the census data set. However, I want us to do it in a new notebook. And again, what I want to do is pose the challenge that what I want you all to do right now is to copy in the code that is going to load in the census data and split it into X and Y into a new notebook. Now, I want you to try to do it in one coding cell if possible. Okay, we've already done the code, so we know that it works. And when you have code that you know works, you don't necessarily have to keep checking the output. Okay, so go ahead and open a new Colab notebook. And let's label this classifiers because we're going to look at different classifiers. And again, this first piece is just going to be loading the data. We could also say, we'll just say load data. I think we could also say split into X and Y, but and what you're going to do, you're going to go to the notebook from earlier today, and you're going to copy in all the key code. Now, I checked mine, mine ran out. If you have it here, okay, if you have your CSV file there, you could also open that, okay? I don't really care how you do it. What I want you to do, everyone, I'll put it in text. Let's load the census data. Clean it, that means make it all numeric, and delete any extraneous columns. And split it into X and Y. Okay, do that now. Keep me in the background because I'm going to go ahead and do it also. And I don't like to deliver my lectures that you're listening to silently, so I will go ahead and make some comments as I do it. All right, I've got mine up on another screen here. So copy in the loading data. And again, I'm going to do one cell, so I'm going to take off df head, right? I'm just going to scroll down my previous notebook and take everything that was important. Get rid of extra columns. I'll make a little comment here. Why is it extra? It's extraneous. So load data. Okay, what else do I have from before? Believe it or not, this is standard practice. Like, hey, I've got to reload the data, And again, if you don't have that file right there, you can use the file, okay? If you have that on your computer, by all means. It's like any CSV file, get it in there and do it like that. I'm going to get dummies here. All right, that's a big one. Converts text to numeric. What else do we have? Oh, we got to get rid of that. Got to get rid of the one column. Don't forget that one. The delete them because there's two about 50K. And by the way, for those of you who know about Jupyter Notebooks, when using Jupyter Notebooks, I always use the CSV files. The files, meaning like downloaded to my local computer. Okay, but when I do Colab, I think it is online, I try to make links. That's why I'm doing this now. And I don't need to put in things that just show info. I just need, that's it. It's up to us, up to you if you want to delete unnamed 0. I'm just going to leave it. But that should do it. Now that I'm done with it, I will do the final check. Go ahead and wrap up as, on your own. And the whole point of this is simply to quickly get up here the proper census column ready for machine learning.